Hi, so I am evaluating the data and focusing on standard deviation, standard of the mean. So I look at these equations right here, and they seem quite daunting until you realize there's just 8 steps. 7 of them to get standard deviation, and then the 8th step to get standard error of the mean. So step 1, add all the figures together. Boom. Step 2, divide step 1 by the number of submissions, by the number of figures. And then you take each submission, subtract it. So step 3, you take each submission and then subtract it by step 2, shown here. So look, so this was the mean, and then you subtract all of them, and then you take that and then you square them, step 4. And then you take what you got from squaring and then you add all of them together. That is step 5. And then step 6, you divide them by the number of submissions minus 1. So there were 5 submissions, and now you have 4. Step 7, you square root it, and then there's your standard deviation. And then once you have your standard deviation, then you just take your standard deviation and you divide it by square root of number of submissions. Easy. So I was supposed to have a question. So I was looking over the slides, and I don't really understand how to get p-value. Like, I see that, like, if the things don't touch, then it's significant, statistically significant. So then that's better than p of 0.05 or 5. It's better than 5% or 95%. But how do you, like, calculate that number?